I want to start from here, from the beginning. It was 1969 when I built the first exemplar. My vocation for engineering, together with my will to make people hear a new voice, gave life to this company, which is today a leader in building advanced refrigeration systems. Through my family's attentive and never superficial guide, we have done great things, walked many roads, learnt a lot, and we still have much to do. Right from here, from the first shed, we expanded in 55 countries, conquering larger spaces where we could shape our project. We have gradually diversified to answer to the necessities of the market in a more and more professional way. The customer isn't just an insignificant number for us, no. Who chooses our company must have the right to be guided step by step in the articulate process of choice of the product. Preliminary meetings, specially made projects, feasibility proposals that take into account the customer's requests. These are the first steps. They are necessary to define the right product, thanks to dialogue, because it has always been our favorite means to satisfy your requests. From paper to graphics, our technical team is then ready to send the plus of the project to a concrete realization, paying attention to every single part, not only with the awareness that we are a company, but also with the passion and dedication of the best craft made in Italy. The manufacturing doors open to a new team of professionals. In a movement of men and mechanic arms, it blends, molds, and defines the characteristics of the project, which has now become a product. With the help of instruments of the most recent technology and a know-how that makes satisfaction the company's label, the rudimentary sole drawn on the sheets is covered with the best armor. It's armor. Because each item is unique, calculated by the millimeter, basing on the customer's exigences. However, our care for you doesn't end there. An attentive and scrupulous staff is entrusted with the last delicate part of transporting the item. A handshake sanctions the satisfaction, because human relationships are for us the real value that we try to transmit with our work. We are this, a story of men, faces, hands and minds. And this is our main purpose, to convey the passion for doing to those who look at us for the first time, to feed it in those who live us every day. We are educators. We are witnesses. We are love for what we do. We are a big family who looks forward because we know that the best way is still the way we have to do.